Did you know a Hollywood star once slept in a homeless shelter with only $11 to her name? In 1989, Halle Berry arrived in Chicago with nothing but dreams and pocket change. She survived on day-old bread from bakeries, making every dollar stretch for weeks. When she called her mother begging to come home, she was told to figure it out herself. Berry struggled with diabetes, passing out during auditions from low blood sugar with no health insurance. She took any job that paid, from department stores to nightclub waitressing. Her first big break came with Living Dolls, but the show was canceled after one season. Casting directors rejected her constantly, saying she was too ethnic for white roles, but not ethnic enough for black roles. For years, she fought against Hollywood's narrow standards. Then came March 24th, 2002. Standing on the Oscar stage, holding her Best Actress award for Monsters Ball, she became the first black woman to win. From sleeping in shelters to sleeping with Oscars, Berry proved that rock bottom can become your foundation.